One of the great things about the engineering programs here at Fox Valley Tech is all of our instructors, we're not academics, strictly academics. We're industry professionals. We come in with really good experience. We stay connected with our industries as well, so we can maintain that connection and share that with the students. Coming to school here is a really great decision in terms of affordability. We've got definitely online class options, we've got hands-on class options, and in different class sections that work with different people's schedules.
When I went back to school, I had a full career. I worked full-time. I had a full family at home, and I was a full-time student. And that added another constraint to picking out classes at certain times. Luckily, Fox Valley Tech has classes online and on campus. They offer classes at night and even on the weekends, and I thought that flexibility was a game changer for me.
I chose Fox Valley Tech because it was close to home, and I looked into programs here, and I liked the cost of it and everything that came along with it.
Think about all the products that you buy. They get made somewhere, they get manufactured somewhere. The manufacturing engineers are the ones that are determining the best way to make it that's most effective, produces the highest quality product for the customers, and allows the company to make money while doing it.
What I enjoyed most about the manufacturing engineering program here at Fox Valley Tech was the hands-on learning, the lab-style teaching, and we learned a lot. It gave us exposure and experiences in a real-life, real-world setting.
The thing I like best about the manufacturing engineering program is that there's the hands-on classes, and they've definitely given me a real-world experience of what I'll actually be doing at my job in the future.
If I look at manufacturing engineering or industrial engineering or even our quality engineering program, there's definitely a demand there because all the employers in our area right now that manufacture something seem to be trying to do it with fewer people. They're all trying to get people to do the work. That allows manufacturing engineers, for instance, to come up with solutions that allows them to make their products or deliver their services without as many people because they just can't get the people. So that's a real problem in our area right now, and so it's a real opportunity for our students.
So Miller Electric hires Fox Valley Tech graduates because they come out of their programs with a lot of real-world experience and knowledge that makes them successful in their careers here at Miller.
I'm lucky enough that when I graduate Fox Valley Technical College, I'll have a full-time job at Ameriquip in New Holstein, and that is nice to know you have before you even graduate.